All right, everybody. How's it going on this wonderful Monday? Today I am coming to you from home. Well, it's actually 11:20 at night. Had personal issues with my water heater tonight, and we got some water in the basement, and the water heater is no longer working. So cold showers and fun times here at the Mead household. So I won't be able to be with you tomorrow as my plumber's coming in the morning to help mitigate this situation. So I will do my best to outline what we're doing today and hopefully put you on the right track to be able to be successful in global studies this afternoon. This is my daily video that's posted right here. Don't forget to finalize your Constitution Day work from Friday. All right, so what that's going to do is I want you to open up the slides that are going to look like this. One of the slides that's going to be very helpful for you is this one. Those are the 5 pieces of the First Amendment that you need to understand. And then number 9, okay, that is a great one too. Slide number 9 is also the Bill of Rights in plain English. That's going to help you kind of decide what different amendments mean. Now, going back to this worksheet, hopefully everyone should have downloaded that from Friday. If you don't, or if you didn't have it, or you don't have a Chromebook today, you just need to write these answers down. What are the 5 aspects of the First Amendment? So there's a quick video, there's slides, that's a really sweet cheat sheet. You know, freedom of press, freedom of speech. Go down the list, give me the 5 freedoms that we are allotted by the First Amendment. Secondly, you need to go to the Constitution Day website, and you click on that, it's going to look like this, okay? We want to pick a founding father. So what we want to do is going to take us to the top like this. Click on the founding fathers, scroll down, and the founding fathers are all listed right here. So either pick a state that you like or pick a founding father that you recognize. Click on that link and tell me 5 things that you learned about that person or that are interesting if you already knew them. Going down to the second box, the green, you need to pick a new amendment, one outside the First Amendment. So again, we're going up here. We'll go to the amendment section, and you can go all the way down. The first 10 amendments, of course, the Bill of Rights. Those are probably the most important allotted to us, but then amendments 11 through 27 are also very important. If you can't read Roman numerals, just know that X is 10. Anything added to X is bigger. Anything added before the X is smaller. So if you just count 11, 12, and on down. If you don't know if you don't understand what the amendment's saying based on the old language, Google it, look it up. Google Amendment 22 in plain English. Okay, that'll help you out with that one a little bit. Application: how are you able to exercise your First Amendment on a daily basis? Give me a simple answer there. Give me a simple thing that you do in your life that you know you get a lot of the First Amendment for that. And then I put a quote by RBG. So look at that, figure out what she's trying to say, and figure out if you agree with it. And extra credit, you don't necessarily need to worry about that today because we're going to add in some extra work for you as well. We are going to start in on our basic economic terms. So there's a vocabulary sheet there. When you click on that, that'll give you a forced copy of this sheet right here. So keywords or vocabulary is in green, guiding questions are in yellow, and self-investigation, which means you click on it and tell me what you think about it, is in red. So you have about 9 vocabulary terms that are economic, scarcity, opportunity cost, demand, supply, producer, consumer, incentive. This can become very important when we do our project at the end of this econ unit called Shark Tank. We're going to invent our own product. All right, so after looking at pages 58 and 59 from the green textbooks that are located in the front left corner in front of my map, in front of my room, go up, grab one when you're ready to do that, read through pages 58 and 59, figure out what these terms mean, and put them down in your own language. Do not copy from the book, please. If there's no other way to say it, that's a difference, okay? The questions then, after you read through that, what is market price, okay? And how does the change in the price of a good or a service affect the prices of other goods and services? So think about, if I'm a lawn mowing company and I use gas, what happens when gas increases in price? Okay, I can't charge the same to my consumer because my cost for doing that exact same job goes up when my gas prices go up consistently, right? So think about how things are affected on a global scale when steel prices go up and I'm a builder of skyscrapers. Okay, I'm not going to charge the same price I did 3 years ago. It doesn't make sense. How much is one share worth of your favorite company? So you click on this link. Okay, you go to NASDAQ, daily stock market, look up a favorite company of yours, find the symbol, whatever it may be. See how much one stock of your company is worth, and tell me what you think about that. So that's it. It may take a little bit longer. My later classes, I know, periods 4, 6, 7, 8. You guys didn't have as much time to work on your Constitution Day sheet, so you guys will be working on that a lot longer. You may not finish with this sheet. That's totally okay. It's not due until Tuesday night, so I'll readdress this on Tuesday, and we'll go from there. So my first 2 classes, probably first period, third period, I don't know how far we got. I can't remember. We'll work with it, okay? Do your best. That's all we ask. Be scholars, be responsible, be respectful, and you'll have a great day. And I apologize for being with you. It's, like I said, it's pretty close to 11:30 at night right now on Sunday, and I had to make this decision to not be able to come into work tomorrow as I finally scheduled a plumber to get in here and fix our water system. So I do appreciate you guys all working with me, and I'll touch base with all of you on Tuesday. Feel free to email me. I can't guarantee I'll be around my computer, especially in the early morning, probably until after lunch, but I'll sure as heck work very, very hard to try and get back to you as soon as I can. So just keep me posted on how everything's going, and if you have questions, I will be more than willing to work with all of you on Tuesday to get things figured out. So again, have a great day. So sorry I couldn't be with you today, and work really hard to get everybody caught up on Tuesday and Wednesday, and you guys have a great day, Trojans.